Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a nice house from number 10. Let's draw number 10 first. This is 1 and this is 0. Beginning from number 10, we can extend the line like this. Another line will be like this. And we do extend a vertical line on this side and connect these two vertical lines with a long horizontal lines along this. Then we draw the parallel horizontal line here. This is becoming the roof. We put two lines here and here on this side. Now we want to put a door here. It needs two vertical lines and one curved lines on top of it. This is the door knob and this is the detailing of the window. Alright, the house is on the ground. You can put little fence like this on this side, another fence like this on this side. The drawing is almost done. We can do little detailing, like do little darker the ground, the whole level. Alright, let's put little shade on top because of the roof. So when the sun shines on top, there's a little shade under the roof. Alright, let's put another shade from this side too. Little shade of window and the doors here. And you can put a regular shade for the whole house. The base of the house has few vertical shades like this, and the fence. The door looks good. Let's make this one, the border, a little darker to differentiate it from other lines. Also, let's make this one a little bit darker and the base a little bit darker. It's getting clearly visible from other random lines. Alright, this is the drawing initiated from number 10. We draw the house finally. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe and do the practice every day and put the bell icons on for more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.